Starks, and welcome to my channel. I'm just sharing with y'all my weekly refresh reset routine that I do just to make sure that my house is tidy and things are where they need to be before I get started for the week. This just helps me to have a clear mind, feel organized, feel ready for the week. And I also just felt like this space needed a change. The seasons are changing, and I just decided before I go out and buy a bunch of stuff, I'll just rearrange things that I already have, and it just gives a fresh feel. So that is what I did here. Normally, I try to do this routine on a Saturday or a Sunday when my husband can keep my son busy, and I can do this a lot quicker. But this day, he wasn't home. He was out of town, so this is just me getting things done with my busy 3-year-old. So you'll see I had him helping a lot. I also just stopped to play with him a couple times and, entertain him, but I still got it done. So mama's out there, you can still do what you got to do with your baby. Do what you need to do for you. Do what you need to do for your home, and just, be flexible and have fun. Don't stress yourself out. But if having your home organized is something that gives you a clear mind and just helps you to be productive, make a little quick routine so that you get your things done and you have time for your family and time for yourself. I do this once a week. Don't do this every day, but do what works for you. There's no need to put a lot of pressure on yourself. If you have to stop, if you don't finish, it's okay. But, just do what works for you. To keep him busy and out of the way. I think I had a movie playing on the iPad. I gave him a snack, but he just really wanted to help. So I just put him to work, and I got what I needed to get done. He got to help mommy, and the room got clean. So to my mamas out there, this is a step that I know a lot of people usually skip because this will last maybe 2 seconds. But I use these baskets so it's really easy for him to clean up his own toys, and so that he's not overwhelmed with a lot of options when he comes into this space. And so I could clean the floor. So I'm just vacuuming the floors in the kitchen and the family room and cleaning the tables. Again, just to have a reset. It's gonna get messy. It's okay. He's 3. But we spend the most time in this space, so I really do take my time and do more of a deeper clean in this space because we eat in here, we play in here, we watch TV, and it can get really trifling if I don't clean this space. Look at this. Look. This is what I mean. Yeah. So I'm going to take a deep breath, and I'm going to keep it moving. I highly suggest focusing your energy on the room that you spend most of your time in, just so it feels good when you're in that space and you can enjoy your home. To start my week out with doing the floors, doing the tables, wiping everything down. Sometimes I'll vacuum the couch. I didn't do that today. But it's, again, a reset. I do wipe down this area on a daily basis because those little fingers get everywhere. So just sharing what I do what works for you. Don't put a ton of pressure on yourself. This is me now just wanting the space to feel different. I do this all the time, like moving stuff, like literally just a couple inches over can change the whole feel of the room. So I just switched these two plants in this space and it just made it feel refreshed and updated. So I love that for me. You want pizza bites, Malcolm? After I have the main floor tidied up, I move into my bedroom and I just change my sheets. I'll put in a load of laundry or a couple loads of laundry, put in the old sheets off my bed, wipe everything down, do my floors, and this room is refreshed for the week. As you see, I just had to let him live his life. But I got it done. Malcolm was super tired. I tried to put him down for a nap. He was not beat. He wanted me to play superheroes with him, so I did. But I ended up, still getting it done. So just do what you gotta do. There's me in my cape. Because I do this on a weekly basis, I kind of have a rhythm. I do things on a daily basis, like making sure the clothes are put away and the bed is made, and it just makes it a lot easier to maintain. So I highly recommend just finding a day that works for you to just get things together the way you like it, and it'll be easier to maintain. So now it's time to relax. This is Sunday night, and I'm about to just, get cozy. I lit some candles, just showing you the vibe. I love this part when I can actually enjoy all the work that I did. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. I hope, it inspired you to do things on your own pace. And get your mind right for the week. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, show me some love in the comment section. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hair and beauty content. I appreciate you, and check out some of my other videos right here. Bye.